In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect existing domain to Shopify on desktop. If you already own a custom domain from a third-party registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare, connecting that domain to Shopify means you'll point your domain to your Shopify store instead of using the default yourstorename.myshopify.com address. You're not transferring ownership of the domain. You're simply directing traffic to your Shopify storefront. Start by opening your desktop web browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the bottom left and click Settings, then select Domains. This is where you manage how your store's web address works. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. You'll see a field where you can type your domain. Enter it in plain form, like your domain.com. Don't include www, and skip anything like HTTPS or slashes. Click Next to continue. If Shopify offers a Connect Automatically option and your registrar supports it, choose that. In many cases, Shopify can log into your domain provider on your behalf and set up the DNS records for you. It's the quickest path and helps avoid manual mistakes. Just follow any on-screen prompts to confirm access, and let Shopify handle the setup. If automatic connection isn't available, you'll complete a quick manual DNS setup. Open a new tab and sign in to your domain provider, the place where you bought your domain. Find your DNS settings or DNS management area. Sometimes it's called Zone File or Advanced DNS. You'll edit two records. First, update the A record for the root of your domain, often shown as the host @ so it points to Shopify's IP address, 23.227 and 38.65. If you see other A records for the root, remove or replace them so there's only one pointing to Shopify. Then create or edit the CNAME record for the host www so it points to shops, myshopify.com. This ensures both your domain.com and www.yourdomain.com resolve to your Shopify store. Leave TTL values at their defaults unless you know you need something different. When those two records look correct, save your DNS changes. That's the core setup. Keep in mind, DNS updates don't switch instantly everywhere. Changes can propagate within a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take a few hours. If you don't see the update right away, give it a little time and then try again. And that's it. You've connected an existing domain to Shopify on desktop. You've kept ownership with your registrar and simply pointed the domain to Shopify, giving your store a clean, professional URL.